ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जयम्। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। Namaskar and welcome back to Amara Bharata channel, where we are studying the Deepakam class 7 Samskrita textbook. In that, the Tritiyaha Pathaha, lesson number 3, Mitraya Namaha. Salutations to the Sun God. In this video, we look at the lesson along with an explanation in English. As usual, this lesson starts with a conversation among friends. First, Aho Yogite Tvam Pratah Kim Karoshi? O Yogita, what do you do in the morning? And Yogita replies, Aham Pratidinam Pratah Pitrasah Udyanam Gachami. Every morning I go to the garden along with my father. Next, again, Udyane Kim Karoshi Bhoho. What do you do in the garden? And Yogita replies, Aham tu Brahmanam Karomi. I take a stroll, means I go for a walk. Kintu, however, Bahavaha Janaha. Many people Tatra there Vyayamam Yogasana Nicha Kurvanti. Many people do exercise and yogasanas there. Next, Aho Yogasanani Vayamapi Jnatum Ichhamaha. Aha, Yogasanas we also would like to know, would like to learn. Then Yogita replies, Tarhi Vayam Sarve Yoga Shikshikayaha Samipam Gachhamaha. Then let's all go near the yoga teacher. Yoga Shikshika is a lady yoga teacher. Let us all approach the lady yoga teacher. Is what? Yogita replies. Sarve utsahena yoga shikshikayaha samipam gachanti. Everyone enthusiastically approaches the yoga teacher. Now the lesson starts. Chhatraha, students, namo namaha, acharye. Salutations, O teacher. Acharya, that is the lady yoga teacher, replies, Shubham bhavato. May all good happen. Upavishantu sarve. All of you sit down. Chhatraha, students say, Acharye, O teacher, Kim adya bhavati asman yogasanam shikshayati. Will you be teaching us yogasana today? In your book, it is printed as Bhavan. Bhavan would indicate a masculine, a male yoga teacher, whereas here we have a lady yoga teacher, so it should be a feminine word here. Bhavati is the correct word. Acharya, the teacher replies, Nishchayena, surely. Vadantu kimasanam shikshitum ichhanti. Tell me which asana or posture you wish to learn. And Yogita replies, Acharya, O teacher, Adya Surya Namaskaram Shikshayatu. Today, please teach us Surya Namaskara. Acharya, teacher replies, Samichinam, very good. Surya Namaskaraha Dvadashanam Asananam Samaharaha Asti. Surya Namaskara is a collection of 12 asanas, which means it's a collection of 12 asanas which has to be performed in an order, which we will see later in this particular video. प्रत्येकस्मात् सूर्य नमस्कारात् पूर्वं बिफोर ईच सूर्य नमस्कार पोस्चर एकः मंत्रः भवति. देयर इज अ मंत्र व्हिच इज टू बी chanted. तेषु प्रथमः मंत्रः अस्ति. among them the first mantra is Om Mitraya Namaha iti. The mantra is Om Mitraya Namaha. Chhatraः, students say, Am Mahodaye. Yes, O teacher. Vayam Smaramaha. We remember. We already know the mantra. The conversation continues. Acharya, the teacher, says, Atyuttamam. Very good. Militva Vadantu. Chant this all together. Then Chhatraha, the students, chant as Om Mitraya Namaha, Om Ravaye Namaha, Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Bhanave Namaha, Om Khagaya Namaha, Om Pushne Namaha, Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Sarvante at the end of all. Om Savitra Surya Narayana Namaha. Then Acharya, teacher says, Atyuttamam, very good. Idanim Ekena Shlokena Surya Namaskarasya Bahuni Prayojanani Vadami. Now I will tell you the many benefits of Surya Namaskara. How? Ekena Shlokena, in only one shloka. Bhavanta Shrunvantu Anuvadantu Cha. All of you listen and repeat after me. What is that shloka? We'll see now. Adityasya namaskaran ye kurvanti dine dine ayuh prajna balam viryam tejas teshancha jayate. Adityasya namaskaran ye kurvanti dine dine ayuh prajna balam viryam tejas teshancha jayate. Padacheda or the pada vibhaga. The split of words is like this. Adityasya namaskaran ye kurvanti dine dine ayuh prajna balam viryam. Tejas tesham is actually two separate words joined by a sandhi called as visarga sandhi. So tejaha plus tesham cha jayate. The next step, as we all know, is to write it in prose order, which is anvaya or the gadya krama. ये आदित्यस्य नमस्कारान् दिने दिने कुर्वन्ति तेषाम् आयुः प्रज्ञा बलं वीर्यं तेजः च jayate. These are the different benefits. Ayuhu, prajna, balam, viryam, tejaha. We'll see what these mean. First we do the pratipadartha. Adityasya, of the sun god, namaskaran, salutations. Ye, those who kurvanti, do. Dine, dine, daily. Ayuho, longevity. Prajna, intellect. Balam, strength. Viryam, valor or vigor. Tejaha, brilliance. Tesham, of them. Cha, and jayate, emerge, get. The next step is to get the summary meaning or the bhavartha of this whole shloka. Those who do salutations to the sun god on a daily basis, do several rounds of Surya Namaskara every day, regularly. Their longevity, intellect, strength, vigor, and brilliance will emerge. What does it mean? It will increase gradually. So these are the different benefits of doing just the Surya Namaskara set of asanas: longevity, intellect, strength, vigor, and brilliance. Now there's also a concluding paragraph. Evam yogasaneshu Surya Namaskaraha ekaha Shrestha asanakramaha asti. In this way, among yogasanas or yoga postures, Surya Namaskara is an excellent, superior system or pattern of asanas. Surya Namaskarena sharirikam, manasikam, adhyatmikam cha balam vardhate. By Surya Namaskara, bodily, sharirika means bodily, manasikam means mentally, mental strength, and adhyatmika means spiritual strength. Body, mind, and spirit, all the three strengths will increase, is what vardhate means. They all increase. Ataha vayam pratidinam Surya Namaskaram karavama. Therefore, let us all do Surya Namaskara every day, on a daily basis. Swastham shariram swastham manacha prapnavama. Let us all attain strong body, strong mind. Astu. All right. Punaha agrima kakshayam anyesham asananam vishaye nyasyamaha. All right. We will all get to know about other asanas in the next class. Chhatraha dhanyavadaha acharye. Students tell thank you, O teacher. Dhanyavadaha acharye. We now look at the different postures within the Surya Namaskara as given in your textbook. They have also given the mantra to be chanted associated with each such posture. These are the Surya Namaskara postures. Now, Vayam Shabdarthan Janimaha. Let us learn the difficult word meanings. Anuvadantu means repeat. Agrima Kakshayam in the next class. Prajna means intelligence or wisdom. Viryam is vigor. Tejaha is brilliance. Adhyatmikam is spiritual. Swastham is healthy. These are all synonyms for the sun, Surya. Mitraha, Khagaha, Pusha, Ravihi, Bhanuho, Hiranyagarbha, Marichihi, Savita, Arkaha, Bhaskaraha. These are all for Surya, the sun god. Next, they have a Yogyata Vistara part in your textbook. Vishwa Yoga Divasaha, World Yoga Day. Jagati Sarve Janaha Junamasasya Ekavimshatitamam Dinankam Vishwa Yoga Divasa Rupena Acharanti. On June 21st, World Yoga Day is celebrated in all countries of the world. Yoga Sutras, Asya Praneta Maharshihi Patanjalihi Asti. Maharshihi Patanjali has composed these Yoga Sutras. Asmin Granthe Shatadhika Shannavati Sutrani Santi. In this, there are 196 sutras. Sharirasya Manasaha cha Swasthya Sambadhaha Vishayaha Atra Vidyante. The content is about bodily and mental health. These sutras start like this. The Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Atha Yoga Anushasanam Yogaschitta Vritti Nirodhaha. Like that. Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Yesha Grantaha Swatma Rama Swamina Virachitaha. Hatha Yoga Pradipika is composed by Swatma Rama Swami. Asmin Granthe Vividhanam Asananam Vivaranam Labhyate. This has descriptions of various asanas. Teshu kanichana asanani adhaha pradarshitani. Among these, some asanas are demonstrated below, which we see now. Vajrasanam, Padmasanam, Paschimottanaasanam, Halasanam and Tadasanam. On the occasion of Yoga Day of 2025, I also performed some of the asanas which I am familiar with, and these are all shown here. Now here is an assignment for you. Learn yogasanas from a teacher, post pictures of these online and give links to these pictures in the comments below. Make a resolution to do this by the next yoga day, that is 21st of June, whichever year, according to whichever year you are in. This brings me to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video with the next lesson. YouTube Amara Bharata. Shubham Bhuyat. Mangalamastu. Vande Mataram. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.